Verna from curvesisfashion.com, and today we are going to talk about lip care, our lip care daily routine. So what I do in the morning, I usually, after breakfast and after I brush my teeth, what I do is I use this amazing product from Maldita, stylemaldita.com. Here, I'll show you guys. You can see that. Oh, it just move. So I will link below the link of the store, but I use this one. I would say 4 times a week. Because this is an exfoliating product, but however, this product is made with all natural ingredients, so it's fine, but the thing is, we cannot exfoliate our skin every day, right? I know we're talking about lip care routine here, we're talking about our lips, but it's the same skin as our facial skin. So I highly recommend to exfoliate your lips probably 4 times maximum a week, and minimum of 3 times a week, because if you don't do it 3 times a week, could not work. I usually, the reason why we're talking about lip care routine right now is that the biggest problem that I have is chapped lips, especially in the winter. Winter really is my enemy in terms of my lips, because it hurts once my lips start chapping. I can't even, I usually, before I discovered this product, I usually just buy lip balm or whatever, those lip balm or lip gloss from any store, and it doesn't work. It's my problem, and the more it gets chapped, the more, and it's quite annoying, but I have to find remedies. So I discovered this product from stylemaldita.com. I will, just like I said, I will link the store website below. And yeah, so it's a sugar lip scrub. I have a peppermint flavor right now. I love peppermint flavor because it actually very soothing when I apply it on my lips. And they also have strawberry flavor, and I have one too. I love strawberry just because it's sweet. So this is sugar already, and you guys, you can even eat this. You can, it's like eating candy. Well, of course it's sugar, but it's safe, and it's made of a natural product. It has powerful ingredients, which is what they have here: jojoba oil. It's organic jojoba oil, and I don't know if I pronounce it properly. Jojoba in Philippines, we pronounce J as hey, so I pronounce it on my own language, jojoba oil. So probably in English is jojoba oil. It has vitamin E and also, of course, sugar cane. So that's the ingredients, you guys. It plumps. It feels, after applying this product, it feels plumpy, and my skin feels soft. So you can also use other exfoliating product, but whatever works for you. But this one works really well for me. I love this. I love this store. I love this Sugar Maldita lip scrub. So yeah, so what I usually do is after I have breakfast, every morning on a weekday, I use this lip scrub in the morning. I don't use it at night, so I use it in the morning just because I want to follow it up with a lip moisturizer, which I'm gonna show you later. And it's very, so I usually just dip my index finger on the lip scrub container, and then I apply it on my skin as much as I can, and I gently rub it circular, very gently, until for probably 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or maybe a little bit more, but less than 60 seconds. So I rub it gently until the chapped lips on my the chapped skin on my lips comes off. So that's the thing. But you have to rub it gently to where, especially to where the chapped skin is located, or like wherever the chapped skin on your lips is. So gently apply it, and then after that, wash it off with lukewarm water, and then dry it a little bit. So then after that, before I go to work or before I do my things, whatever I'm doing that day, I follow it up with this really, you guys, amazing product. There you go, Maldita Lip Moisturizer with collagen feature. This is one of the most grateful discovery that I ever discover. I mean, yes, I'm not the inventor of the product, but I'm really grateful that I discovered it. Just like I said earlier, my biggest problem during winter time, even summer, is my skin get really dry, like, and it gets chapped, and it hurts, and it's annoying. I can't even put lipstick, although now I don't really put lipstick on, just because we put mask on it anyway. Even in the office, I don't wear lipstick. But this is good enough for me. This Maldita Lip Moisturizer with collagen is anti-aging, you guys, and I'm 43. Yes, I need a lot of anti-aging products. So yes, this collagen lip moisturizer do wonders on my lips. It's after I use the Maldita Sugar Lip Scrub, I follow it up with this lip moisturizing, and they have this. This is one of the best thing, that the feature that they have too, the applicator. The applicator, because I carry this lip moisturizer anywhere. This is just not an ordinary lip balm, you guys. This is with collagen, and it's amazing. So they have a lip applicator, and every time I feel that my lips feels dry or feel chapped, I don't even remember how having chapped lips anymore since I'm using this. Honestly, like, I know I'm collaborating with this company to but I don't usually collaborate with companies that doesn't work for me. So I only collaborate with companies that their products works for me. I am the guinea pig of that company if I collaborate with them. So this Maldita Collagen Lip Moisturizer is working for me. That's why, you guys, I am recommending this to everyone. And their store is stylemaldita.com. So this is their specialty, lip care. And so yeah, every time I feel dry, I usually just take it out of my purse, and yeah, so and then I don't have to dip my finger, whatever I'm touching, who knows what I'm touching that day. So I don't have to do that. I don't have to touch the lip balm. I just like pull out this, and then yeah, so got this. Even the color is pretty, it's strawberry. So and then I just dip this moisture applicator, and then I just put it on my lips, and I feel like I have the most kissable lips of all, you guys. And I don't feel annoyed anymore because I have the best hydrated. I have lips that are very much hydrated. Thank you for this. Thank you for this. Thank you for that. I can't say thank you enough. So that's it, you guys, and I hope you learned something from my video today. And please subscribe, and please push that notification bell so YouTube algorithm would like our video today. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.